Hey everyone, I'm the team lead for Triton RoboSub. Here at our testing pool to talk to you guys about what we do. And in our Zoom meeting afterwards, we'll be testing our robot for you guys to see. We have a camera set up for the pool, and we can also show you guys some of the footage of the underwater camera. Next slide. So just to really quick talk about what the competition is. It's an international competition hosted at NIWC Pacific Transdeck, which is a military sonar testing facility in Point Loma. Teams build autonomous underwater vehicles to complete various tasks such as driving through a gate, shooting torpedoes, grabbing objects underwater, and detecting hydrophones. 2021 will be the 23rd year of the competition, and it's usually held in late July/early August, although this year it is a little bit up in the air. Next slide. RoboSub. Next, yeah. So a little bit about us. We were founded in 2018. In our debut year, we qualified for the semifinals. We're advised by Dr. Ryan Kastner in CSE and Dr. Kurt Schurgers in EC, and we're based in C-Lab, which is CSE 2127. Obviously, this past year, we were not able to compete for the in-person portion of the competition, but we're excited to go for next year. Next. So just to give you guys an overview of what each team does, the mechanical team essentially designs, builds, and tests our AUV. So they use Fusion 360 to design the AUV's framework. They use fluid dynamics / static simulations to optimize the design, and then they fabricate everything and test it in this pool. This year, the role that we have available for the mechanical team is the fabricator. Next. So the skills used, you'll be using Fusion 360. You'll be analyzing the robot with finite element analysis, and then you'll also be analyzing aspects of the statics, fluid dynamics, and thermodynamics of the robot. Next. All right. For the electrical team, you'll be designing and creating custom circuit boards for various components. You'll be doing digital signal processing for underwater acoustics, integrating peripherals like a Doppler velocity log into the AUV. You'll be doing simulation and testing, and this year our roles are digital signal processing engineer, firmware engineer, and circuit design engineer. Next. So you'll be using analog circuit design, digital circuit design, digital signal processing, system integration, coding and Verilog, simulation, PCB design, and some programming and soldering on the electrical team. More details for kind of the skills used for each of the jobs can be found on our apply site, which I can link here. Next. For the software team, you'll be responsible for creating the autonomous systems of the robot. So you'll be choosing sensors to optimize the autonomous capability, applying machine learning and big data to computer vision. You'll be creating simulations of the robot for software in the loop testing. And for this year, our roles available are the machine learning engineer, controls engineer, and simulation engineer. Next. So again, the skills used, the biggest thing is going to be research. A lot of what we're doing is pioneering new techniques for underwater robotics. So it's going to take a lot of reading papers and analyzing past work. We want you to be able to learn new technologies, work independently, and be able to program in some of the main languages. Next. So for the business team, you'll be creating Triton RoboSub's branding, image, and social media presence, developing some of the competition materials like the website, team video, and sponsorship packet, planning some engineering workshops to better the San Diego engineering community, and working with our corporate sponsors to plan fun events like lab tours, which hopefully we will be able to do sometime in spring quarter. For this year, we're looking for an advanced manager, social media manager, website designer, and corporate liaison. The skills used, obviously strong oral and written communication skills, some design software experience, photography, brand development, and digital design, and then being able to use social media effectively.
Ready.
For this upcoming year, we're planning to build a brand new robot. We're going to be conducting virtual outreach and workshops, networking with our corporate sponsors, and doing joint research with SIO, Epsilon Systems, and a few more companies. Why should you join? Besides all the things I already mentioned, we offer course credit as well. You get to work closely with department professors / industry professionals. You get hands-on experience on a very unique project, and there are tons of opportunities for internships and jobs. If you go to the next slide, it'll show the list of the competition sponsors. all of those companies are sending recruiters to the competition to give you jobs. So the expectations, 10 hours a week of commitment, weekly meetings with your sub-team, deliverables, coming to this pool and doing some testing sessions if you're able to come in person, participating in networking sessions, and yeah, just developing different aspects of our team. So as I said, I link the application page, and please come to our Zoom page so you can check out the robot in action.
Awesome. Thank you so much.